Hi everyone, my name is Bob and I'm a cheap old fart. I like to do DIY jobs around the house for a couple of reasons. I don't like to pay too much, and I kind of like the satisfaction of knowing that I can actually fix some of this stuff. That I have a great advantage over some of the old timers in that I have something called YouTube that allows me to go out, research some things, try to figure out how to do it, and more often than not, I seem to have some success. Note that, hey, I'm just an average homeowner. I am not a professional. Sometimes we work with water, we work with electricity, we work with some things that could be dangerous to you or to your home. So just know that you're doing this stuff at your own risk. I'm not a professional. If you want to try it, fine. If not, that's fine also. Hi everyone, a cheap old fart here. Thanks for joining. Today we're going to take a look at the grill outside. For the last probably a couple months, the igniter hasn't worked. And I just happened to get underneath there and take a look, and lo and behold, I actually had a igniter kit for the grill already there. So I assumed that we would have to replace the entire igniter kit. But after reading the instructions, I did find that the igniter actually takes a battery. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go out there, take a look at it. We'll see if see if I can get to the battery housing. We'll pop a new battery in there and see if that works. Okay, what we have here is we have a Weber grill. This one here is the Genesis Special Edition. And if we take a look over here on the right hand side, this is where you'll see the igniter switch. So in order to replace the battery, we'll need to take this off, and underneath here will be the battery. Now at this point I don't have the gas is turned off, we don't have anything on, so just make sure that when you do something like this that you don't have any gas on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this counterclockwise. And lift up. And lo and behold, here we go. We have a AAA battery. And we'll just pull that out of the housing. The flat side goes down. Flat side down. And we'll pop this back in here. Spin it clockwise. Yeah, let's see. All right, it appears there are a couple of little notches in here that we'll need to fit in. And it's a little bit tricky to get that in there, so let's try that again. See if I can get this to lock into place. Okay. All right. So takes a little finagling, but it will eventually lock into place. Okay. Now we can go ahead and turn on the propane, and I'll do this. Make sure that it is on, and then we can turn the igniter over. And voila, we have heat. Here, come over here. Put your hand over here and you can feel it. Feel it, we got heat. It's working good. So all it was, don't need the entire igniter kit. First thing you want to do check the battery. Thanks, folks. Okay, folks, today's video was an easy one. If you have a Weber grill and your igniter's not working, first thing to check is whether the AAA battery in there is working or not, or if it's if it needs to be changed. So it could be as easy as that. Easy one, like I said, try that first. Be sure, folks, if you like what we're doing here, to like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment. We always appreciate that. Join us for the next one. We'll see you soon.